Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily display the formulas that you have in your cells or in your sheet while working in Excel. So there are two methods that I'm going to show in this video. The first is the method you get when you go to your formula tab, and the second is when you use the formula text function. So let's start with the one you get when you go to your formula tab. And this one will enable us to see the formulas that we have in the entire sheet. So you just come to this formula tab, click on it, then you come under this formula auditing, you come up where you have this FX. So this is for show formulas. You click on it and it shows you your formulas. When you do not want to see it again, you can just click on it again and it comes back to the sheet without formulas showing your calculations. Now, if you want to use the formula text function, what you will do is just to select the cell that you want to display or a group of cells. So what I will do is to show you how you can use just a cell and how you can use a range of cells. So when we type formula text and I enter this first value, we want to see the formula that produced this. You can see this is the formula that produced it. It returns this. If we check here, we see that it is actually correct. So we can actually check for a range of cells. So if I do formula text and I select this range and enter, you'll see that it's able to show me the range and the formula that gave rise to this very range. And that's just the simple trick about how you can see the formulas you have in your Excel sheet. And this is useful during your analysis like financial modeling and so on. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.